Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be using 2 packs of braiding hair for this hairstyle. So all I did was to cut the braiding hair into 2 equal halves, pulled out the ends and brushed it as usual. So I got a few strands of Brazilian wool and I'm going to use it to tie down and secure the braiding hair from scattering. And this is what it should look like when you're done. Next, I'm gonna put some hair conditioner in a bucket, and please be generous with your hair conditioner, for it helps make the braiding hair a lot softer. Next thing is to pour a well-boiled water inside the bucket as seen. Once you're done, go ahead and dip the braiding hair inside the bucket one after another. Now this is what the braiding hair looks like after I dip them in boiled water. I know they look really thin. Do not be scared, they are thin because they are still wet. Once they dry up, the volume are going to be better than when it was wet. Feel free to sun dry the braiding hair because that is what I did to get them to dry real quick. So the hair is completely dry here. I'm gonna brush it so you see how silky it is. The reason I dipped the braiding hair in boiled water first was because I really wanted to mimic that silky human hair texture. If I had put the braids on my hair first, then dip them in boiled water while it's braided on my hair, it's not gonna give me the kind of silky texture I wanted. So dipping it in boiled water first before using it was absolutely the best option. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do the first parting of my hair. So what I do is I part my hair first. The next thing I do is to put some edge wax on the parts, then go ahead and repart the hair again for a better result. So in case you wanna know, I always use 2 mirrors to part my hair, one in front of me and one behind me. But at the moment I have none with me. And the name of the edge wax that I use is called Above Edge Wax. So because I wanted this hair to be really long, I started off with a shorter braiding hair. When I braid and get to a point, I'll add the longer braiding hair. Once you braid and get to where you want the braid to stop, knot it as many times as possible. Now I'm going ahead with the Afro Kinky bulk extension. Once you wrap the hair to the point you want and there are more kinky left, go ahead and wrap it back up as seen in the video. Rub your palm over the locks to seal. Now this is what your mermaid locks should look like. So as we proceed, I'd like to give a shout out to one of my active subscribers. Her name is Precious Uchechi 2673. I want to thank you for your support and comments. I appreciate. If you want to get a shout out from me, ensure you always like, comment and share my videos. Also, I have a giveaway coming soon. All you need to do is to stay subscribed and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified about any new updates concerning the giveaway. So once you're done with the entire hair, go ahead and brush it thoroughly. Divide the hair into 4 parts as seen in the video. Go ahead and make loose twists on each section as seen. After that, you would dip the hair again in boiled water. I also added hair conditioner to the water. That is why it looks that way, just in case you're curious to know what was added in the water. After you're done, leave the hair to dry up before unraveling the twists. Next thing you would also do is to carefully separate the locks one after another as seen in the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your massive support. If you're new here or not, ensure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let me know your thoughts about this hair in the comment section. Once again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.